Is it recording?
Guys, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay. Uh, cool. So today I told you guys that we will discuss about LinkedIn, correct?
Right, Jay.
Yeah. So, hmm, who all know about LinkedIn, first of all? Like the basics of LinkedIn. Who all have an account on LinkedIn? Come on, let's go. Answer this quickly. No one has account on LinkedIn.
I have one.
I have Jay.
I also have one.
Mm-hmm. 3 out of 8. Others?
I have.
Okay, 4 out of 8.
I have a LinkedIn.
5 out of 8.
I also have.
Okay, 6 out of 8. Then why is there a delay when
I
I
also
ask a
have LinkedIn.
question and you guys answering it so late? What's happening, huh? Cool. So my screen's visible, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, Jay.
Okay, so people who don't have LinkedIn, just go to linkedin.com and it will ask you to make an account. Okay, make it. Who all don't have LinkedIn? Who doesn't have a LinkedIn account? Okay, that means everyone has LinkedIn account, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay, chalo, good thing then. Cool. See, now LinkedIn is, until and unless you don't get a job, LinkedIn is more important than Instagram. Okay. So just when I go here and click on profile, right? This is your profile. Okay. Number one, take care of this thing. This is a cover page. Okay. And how do you take care of this? Just go to Canva LinkedIn background. Okay. That's it. Search for Canva LinkedIn background on it will give you thousands of options, guys. See, pick anyone which you like. All right. Now, if you don't have an Canva account, create one. Pick anyone which you like. Make changes. Okay. Keep it very simple. All right. Something like this. That's it. Your name, what are you, or what do you want to be, and your mail. That's it. Okay. Make sure this is all at the right side because left side you'll have a profile pic covering this thing up. Then have a profile pic. Now I have to change mine, but for now it's fine. Okay. Then your name. Okay, see, Jayakishan has verifications. Now, what all verifications do I have? Number one, I have verifications of my identity, and number two, I have verification of my workplace also. See, verified using workmail. So, a lot of people are faking it up that they work for Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. So, that's the whole thing that you have to verify it. Okay. And once you do that, now there's something called My Portfolio, right? Here is something where you can create a website. Again, on the Canva, guys, same thing. Just go to Canva and search for a website. Okay. Come to the home page of Canva. See, this is all very self-explanatory, right? I can't teach you how to make a website on Canva. Okay. Either you'll figure it out yourself or you just go to YouTube and search for it. It's 10-minute thing. Okay. See, this is where you can make a website. Literally, it will give you the address also for free. Okay. Just go and copy the link. This will be a link. Free website, guys. So you can just click on portfolio. It will give you a portfolio website. Portfolio website is, see a website of yourself. What are you? Okay. If someone wants to know more about you, he'll just visit this website and know more about you. Okay. And then once you do the portfolio, right, then you can put that thing here. How to do that? Just click on this thing. See your first name, your last name, additional name not required, your pronoun, your headline. Now, headline is very important. If you're a recent graduate, you can write recent graduate. Okay, now I have written data associate to it, Amazon. Your position at Amazon, what industry you're in, your education. Okay, you can also add education, location. Then you can add your, contact info also, and your website and how to show your website. Okay, and then save it. That's it. As easy as that. You'll get all this sorted out. Understood about this? Everyone, any question?
No, Jay.
Any question, everyone?
No, Jay.
Sure. My screen sharing stopped. Is it?
Yes, Jay.
Just a second.
Jay, one question.
Yes.
Suppose we worked only in one company and there is nothing much to put there. How do we fill the website and the page?
If you see my website right here, I have not anywhere I have not written about, this is the only point where I have written about the company. Okay. Other than that, if you see, it is all about myself. Okay. So if you have not worked anywhere, you're a fresher or you have worked very less, then, just put whatever, you have done. Concentrate more on yourself. Okay. Yes.
Okay, Jay.
Okay. So once you get figure this out, then we'll go to public profile and URL. Now, this public profile and URL is very important. Now, if you see yours, it might be meshed up with numbers and all. So click on this thing and again click on the pen thing here. And after this is default. After this, just try to put your name. If it is available, it will show you that it's available and it will give you. If it's not available, it will say it's not available. Okay. So let's take an example of Joel. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll write Joel Kalyan. Right? Joelkalyan. If it's available, it will say it's available. You can save it. It's like your username. See, even if I go to my profile, right? Yeah, see, that's the link, right? That is the link that is visible, right? If it is available, then it will show. If it is not, try not to add numbers, guys. Okay. Try Kalyan Joel. Okay. Or Joel Kalyan. One number or two numbers is still okay. Okay. That's it. No more than that. Okay. Now come down and make sure your public profile visibility is on, right? This should be on. Okay. And after that, you can select the first option here and select all LinkedIn members so everyone can see your profile. Okay. And you can select all this as on so that everyone can see all the details about you. Right. That's all we'll do here on this page. Let's go back to the profile again. Any questions from that page?
No.
Okay. Now, once you do that, okay, we'll come down here about section. Now, me myself, I have not changed this from a long time. I have to, but here you make the changes. Okay. Now, you know, from don't write it yourself completely. Ask ChatGPT, give your whole information to ChatGPT and tell it to give you some things and make it humanly. Now, once it does, make relevant changes, guys. Okay. Now, this is something that I have not changed from like 3 years. Okay. I have not added anything here. I have to make a lot of changes. Okay. See, now about is somewhere you are telling your whole story of where of this. what all your experiences were, where all did you educate, what all are your licenses and certifications, what are your interested in, what all are your skills. Okay, all those things you're going to tell it in the about section, but very in a very small, sentence, not too big. Understood about the about section?
One doubt.
Yes.
So if we are working from different domain and we are applying for data analytics, so the people who hire us, they'll see it and will it be a markdown for us, or is fresher more like more important still?
See, I would say that LinkedIn does have 10-15% of weightage before, they hire you. Okay. But I won't say that, just because you're switching the domain, your irrelevant experience don't completely come in account. It's not like that. Okay. So even if you have any working irrelevant experience, you add it. All right. See, the whole concept of corporate is, guys, skills come secondary. Okay. Primarily, they'll see how your behavior is, how is your communication. Okay. And are you really, worth working for our company or not? These are the things that we'll see. And after that, skills come into picture. All right. So if you're saying that, you have already worked in a tech company, then, they have a picture of you that, yeah, we can take this guy because he has already worked in a tech company. He knows the whole process. He knows the whole, environment that he has to maintain. So that's a plus point for you itself. Cool.
Understood.
Hmm. After that, coming down, you can create posts. I think you know that. Okay. That we'll talk later. Come to the profile pic, click on frames. If you're looking for job, click on open to hire, open to work. Okay, now this frame is very important, guys. All right, make sure you do that. Okay, now let's come down. Experiences, click on plus, click on add position, and here you can add experience. Okay, people who have experience you can add, who doesn't have, just keep it blank. Or you might have done some internship or anything, right? Just put it in the title, employment type, company name. Okay, all those things. And description, in the description, look, you have to write something like this. See, worked on Monte Carlo, IPL team creation, right? Data visualizations, okay, KPIs and business insights. Okay, now I have to make a lot of changes here, guys, because it's been so long I have not updated it. I will do that. Okay, but that's how it should be. Okay, and array. And after doing that, come down to education. Now, I would request that, I would suggest that don't add all of your education, just add the highest education. Highest two educations are enough. Okay. No need of school and all. But if you want to, you can. No problem. After that, you can add licenses and certifications. Okay. Now, these are all the licenses and certifications. You can add them and you will get a, photo like this. Or yeah, you'll get something like this, show credential. Okay, now this credential means that this guy has actually done something and he's not faking it. Okay, so whenever you do a genuine certification, right, you will get a link like this where everyone can see your badge or your skills. All right, see, and if you go here, right, Cisco, right, see from the Credly, this certification, the badge was issued to Jay Kishan Naik, right? So those are the, genuinity of your certificates. Okay, here is where you'll add all your certificates. Now next to that, this skill. In the skill section, okay, you add what all skills you're good in. SQL, Python, okay, and then dashboarding tools like Tableau, Power BI, Google Looker Studio, advanced Microsoft Excel, joins, okay, all those things. All right, so you can just add them like this. And where did you learn it? That also you have to add. Okay, all these things you can add. After that, now don't take inspiration from my account because it's completely messed up. I'll fix it, guys. I did not get any time to fix that. I will do that. If you see, from July 23, yeah, no, from Feb 24, there is no update. I just added 2 or 3 posts. That's it. Other than that, I have not made any change to my profile. Because, it's like people will start digging for a well when they're thirsty. That's how it's been with me. I'm not looking for a job currently. That's why I'm not cared much about LinkedIn. Okay. Now, next thing, try putting some posts once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Okay. Now, if you see, I put a post for our class. This was very recent. Then, for the referral drive, I put a post on that. See, 1800 impressions. A lot of people reached out also. Then there was this thing I did. I was part of a volunteer program. Okay, if you can see, this is wait. I'll come back again here. Okay, so this is a GIF that they shared. So yeah, I was part of that. So I just shared a small insight on how exciting it was. Right. Then this was like 1 year ago when I got rejected from Google. But you know what were all my learnings? See, my learnings. And actually people don't, a lot of things are not genuine, right? So you have to add that uh proof also that actually you are not lying about it. If you see, look, thank you for applying. And this was, at the end, after all the interviews and everything, they were like background and experience. Because of that, we did not move with you. Okay, and this was it, right? This is where this was like round 2 confirmation of rounds. Before that, I had like 4 rounds. Round number 1 and telephone round, and then this and then this. Okay, all those things. You can go through the post. Okay, see, got 3400 impressions here. So that's how it is. Okay. Um, I have not been very active, but recently I'm a bit active. Okay. And see, here it will tell you that how many profile views you have, how many impressions you got. Okay. Now, if you have a premium, you can see who all actually, um, looked at your profile and where were they from. Okay. All those insights are available. But, I have not turned it on because if I view someone else's, it will show them as well. I don't want that to happen. Okay. Here is where you can see all your messages, right? And now coming to the very important section, that is jobs. Now, depending on all these things, this will show you jobs. Understood? Now, any questions still here? Any problems? What do we put in experience where we do not have experience? Don't put any experience. Just keep it blank. But now you can put A2M experience. Na? This will be considered as a course plus internship. And we'll be doing like 4 projects also. We're already done with the Microsoft Excel project. We'll be doing 3 more for 3 dashboards. So you can put that. Okay. Okay. After that, see, here it will show you, the recommended jobs. Now, if you like something, then, come here and check for all the, things, if you match them or not. Okay. And sometimes people do mention about the pay scale also. Okay. And then if you're interested, you can directly apply from here, or you can find someone who's working at Slice. Like go to Slice, click on people. Okay. Now here you can connect with the people who work at Slicey, Mihir. Okay, some of these people you can connect with them, and once they accept your connection, you can just ask them for referral. Hey, I'm looking for the job. I'm looking to switch, and give them the perfect idea, guys. Okay, just don't tell, hey, I want referral. No, not like this. Write a very good message. Okay, and I just came across this job for an analyst role at Slice, and there'll be a job ID. Okay, uh, don't these people have job ID? Okay, so these people don't have job ID anywhere mentioned, but usually, all the jobs they'll have a certain unique job ID. Okay, so tell them that this is the job ID that I want to apply to. Can you please refer to me? Even Volvo doesn't have. What about Tesco? What is this? Are they forgetting, or it just doesn't work on? If there's no job ID, then obviously you'll put the whole name of the. Yeah, see, this is job ID. Okay, this is the unique job ID. If you go to Amazon, right, and search for any job, you have something called job ID. Okay, that's how we come to know that you're looking for this job, because we have thousands of opening, guys. How will I know? Because analyst role only like tens and hundreds of teams will be looking for analyst, right? If I just show you for Amazon, right? Yeah, see, now if you see job ID, look, job ID, right? This is how we'll know that what is the actual job you're looking at. So make sure that you include this job ID, and make sure you include the whole name of this role and what team is it. Okay, and then make a nice mail, a message, and send him. Once he's okay with it, you can send him a mail on his actual account. Okay, and then he'll refer you. Then apply before, get referred before applying. Don't apply and ask for referral. That's not how it works. Ask for referral. Once he refers, you'll get a mail that you have been referred. Then you apply it. Understood? Questions? Anyone? Hey, what save was successful? Did I save anything? Guys, any questions?
No, Jay.
Others? All good?
No, no,
Okay,
no, Jay.
cool. Now after that, um, there's something called this learning also. Okay. Now I know a lot of people will not, actually discuss about this, but okay. So now this will show me the corporate LLC. Will not get into that, but still you'll get a learning option. Okay, where LinkedIn provides some of the courses for free. You can learn from there and get certifications from LinkedIn itself. Okay, now it's not like a live thing. Okay, it's just some recorded videos. You can do it just for the certification purpose. Other than that, it doesn't hold. It holds value, but we all know how well we take value of the free courses and the recorded classes, right? It just doesn't work great. So that's that. And this is all about the LinkedIn thing that you should know. Now, do we have any questions on this?
No, Jay.
Yes. You can play game also. Sometimes I play here puzzle games. Nice. Like a bit complicated, but these are nice. Guys, questions? No questions? Everyone? All clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Others, guys, come on, please say yes or no.
Yes, Jay, clear.
Yeah, what's up with you all people?
Clear,
You
Jay.
guys don't, bring in the energy. Okay, just say yes or no. That's it. Come on, guys, be very, very, um interactive, because that's how it is. That's how things work, right? See, a lot of people will give you a lot of things on LinkedIn. Okay, it's a great source of learning. Okay, just that don't come here and get demotivated that everyone is getting into Google, everyone is getting into Amazon, everyone is getting into Microsoft. Don't do that. Okay, they will do that for the, um, engagement purposes. So don't look into that. Just, see, try to learn things from here. Okay, just get the good things. Don't worry about who's doing what. Okay, we are not here to do that. Cool.
Yeah, Jay.
Okay. All right then. I'll give you one more minute. Just think of it and let me know if you have any questions.
Hello, Jay.
Yes.
I have Python experience,
Okay.
but now I switch to data analyst, right? How can I showcase that one? I'm looking for data analyst like that.
You don't have to showcase. See, Python is necessary for data analytics. Okay.
Ah,
So you have the experience, right? Just put it in the experience section where you worked
okay.
and what all you did. Okay,
Hmm.
like this.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. You don't have to show, very, very relevance of skill that we can do in the resume.
Hmm.
Okay, see, LinkedIn is just for your background check, man. Like, how were you? What all? How is your online image? That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, I have one question. The course that we are doing from A2M Infotech now. So you
Mhm.
said that this is the scrum internship. So do we put this in our education section or in the experience section?
Number one, you put it in the experience section. Okay, here. And number two, you also put it in the certification section.
Okay.
Hmm. Anything else? Giving you 20 more seconds. Okay, cool. All right, guys. So, that is all about LinkedIn. And we all know that it's weekend. So, cool. You all enjoy your weekend and have fun Saturday and Sunday. I'll see you guys Monday. And Monday, we will start with SQL practicals. Okay, we'll look at the questions and we'll try writing a script answer to it. All right.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Jay.
Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Yes, Jay.
Cool, guys. If nothing else to discuss, you guys can drop off. Thank you so much for joining the class today. I'll see you guys on Monday. Happy weekend, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye
Happy
bye.
weekend.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye
Bye, Jay.
bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye, bro.